must visit the mural painting with Bingbing right smack in the middle, right corner. And this will be a wonderful place for you to capture those beautiful snapshots.
Alright,
There's
so
just one more to add on to the list of local delicacies. Durian Chendol is a must try.
Step aboard the luxurious Genting Dream Cruise and join us for an incredible one-day journey to the historic city of Malacca. Our adventure begins with a visit to the iconic A Famosa, the remains of a 16th century Portuguese fortress, followed by a climb up St. Paul's Hill to explore the stunning ruins of St. Paul's Church. Next, we marvel at the Dutch colonial charm of the Stadthuys, charming Dutch Windmill, the red-hued Christ Church, and the picturesque clock tower, each telling a story of Malacca's diverse past. Midday, we indulge in a refreshing bowl of Durian Chendol, a must-try local dessert that combines the unique flavors of durian and palm sugar syrup. Re-energized, we stroll along the scenic Melaka River and soak up the vibrant atmosphere of Jonker Walk, bustling with unique shops and street food. Our journey continues with a visit to Sansu Gong local product shop to sample and shop for traditional snacks and souvenirs. For the art lovers, we capture memorable moments at the stunning Bingbing mural wall and the quirky, Instagram-worthy Orang Utan Mural Wall. Experience the best of Malacca's heritage, art, and cuisine, all packed into one unforgettable day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting travel adventures.
谢谢收看。